Alright, so I want to show you guys how to create a linear regression or a linear line of best fit. So this is one of the cool things about statistics is when you feel like you've found a relationship that is actually correlated and you think might actually also be, there might be some causation there. As in, like in this case, the hours of sleep really does affect the number of classes you have at mastery. This is pretty cool. You can actually predict based on how many hours of sleep, roughly how many classes you'll have at mastery. And obviously, it's not going to be the same for everybody, but what you can do is create trends. So what you want to do is, depending on what version of Word you have, you want to select your chart, and then for me, it's chart layout, and mine is trend line. You might want to depends on what version you have, you might want to insert, it's called a linear regression. Linear regression is how it's spelled. So anyway, on mine it's chart layout trend line. And I'm going to ask it for, I think this is a fairly linear, I think this creates a line. I don't think it's really curved. Or another one is called logarithmic, where it starts up here and then it goes like this and then it kind of levels off. It doesn't really increase a lot, but it still increases. So okay, so I'll go to trend line. I'm going to ask for a linear trend line, and what it does is it will actually just draw the linear trend for me. So it will put in the line there for me. And that line there is their best guess at the correlation and how much the hours of sleep helps you with the number of classes you master. So that's how you do that in a Microsoft Excel document. I'm still working on finding the equation of that line. I'm sure you can do it somehow. If one of you figures that out, you should let me know.